Welcome everyone. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Another trend in 2022 is chokers. And I've made up a few to show you some examples. This one I made up using some glittery and antique gold colored glass beads that we sell and one of our druzy gemstones. This one I used our gemstone arrowhead, a gold arrowhead, and some of our heavy chain in a really funky clasp toggle that we sell for the back. And this one that is made out of tortoise colored acrylic link chain and a little amber colored connector in the middle. So this is the one that we're going to make today. I'm going to get set up. We'll be right back and I'll get started. As you'll see, this goes together very quickly. Our first step is to make our own jump rings because the links are just large enough that our 8mm are too small. So I discovered by loosely wrapping around our marker or a pencil, we'll try pencil here, wrapping this 18 gauge wire, we're going to need 4 jump rings for this project. So I wrapped like that and then coiled them together, remove the pencil, and then we're just going to cut evenly. And we'll actually end up with our 4 jump rings. The next step is to attach the connector in the middle of the acrylic chain. So we'll open a jump ring, slide it through the connector on this end, through our chain, and we will close that jump ring nice and snug. Do the same thing on the other side with the other length of chain. Now the next step is to measure this around your neck. I discovered that my neck, there's 10 links on each side. My neck takes 9 links on each side. So we need to remove the last link on each side, and it's a little tricky, but each link has a little separation. And I found that if you line up the links that the separation part of these last 2 links, you take your round nose pliers and you have to play with it, try to get those areas together, and you just play with it until you can slide one of the links off. It's easier said than done, but it is doable. Here, I got one off there, and we're gonna hold on to these. Now I need to take one off the other side. Now these links, the chain links tend to twist, so you flip them so they all lie flat, like so. Bring around to the back. And the last step is just to connect our toggle on the back using the jump rings that we made. and play with it so all the links lie flat. Once you get your toggles on, you'll just connect the toggles together in the back and your choker is complete. And I chose, because I had 2 chain links left, I chose to make a pair of coordinating earrings. The connector comes in a set of 3. I had 2 links left, so it was just perfect complement to the choker. If you make your own choker, we'd love to see it. You can share it with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time. Bye.